We are back to Nosara.
Our favorite place. I love this place. So this week we have decided that we are going to take you on some epic adventures. Good morning everybody, it is Monday and we are going to go and see if we can find some turtles. Good morning, happy Tuesday. So the market is the south of Lione. Still a bit early, so they're all still setting up, so let's see what we can find. So number 4, running on beautiful white sand.
Action!
Let's go! Woo! So I just managed to get the perfect parking spot right in front of the waves. The sunset has become pink. Look at this. Whoa. Wow.
Welcome to our channel. Hi, I'm JB.
And I'm Dash.
So where did you bring us for today's?
We are going to see if we can get a nice drink at Salina.
For drinks, is it possible?
Yes, at the bar just over here.
Just the bar, and we can how it works, kind of a drink, and can use the pool and facilities here.
Okay.
That's cool.
That's nice.
Awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Maybe gonna go fetch my costume and Tash find some clothes.
For you.
Ah, for me? Oh yeah, that's a cool one.
That's a nice one.
Dos silver and purple, por favor.
Por favor.
Yeah. ¿Cuántos? Dos. Oh, darn. That's okay.
I would love to know what this place would be like during season. Like peak season. How do I think? Be careful your head.
Cheers.
Cheers. Yeah, it's really, really nice. And I mean, this place is just beautiful.
Yeah,
This is like my dream.
yeah, it's nicely built. It's
Yeah.
pretty huge.
It's
yeah.
a bit too big. Like I wouldn't want something so big, but I love the design of this.
It's
just
nice if you can afford to stay here. Definitely is a good place to.
Yeah, if you're by yourself and you're coming to stay here in Costa Rica, because there are like there's things that happen. There's like movie night. There's the pool area. There's a lot of like interaction and
yeah.
community kind of vibes here,
Meet
which is
people.
very cool. Hope you enjoyed our Thursday. It's weekend. Happy Saturday, everybody. We are going to La Luna. We're becoming fancy.
Oh.
Oh, fancy JB and Tash. We're actually spoiling ourselves because it's one of the last days we are here in Costa Rica and we want to go and have a nice dinner.
Yes.
Ready?
Oh yeah, I'm ready.
You ready to have a romantic dinner with me?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. We've heard so many amazing things. So
It's a restaurant right by the beach when you can have amazing sunset apparently. So.
and that also doesn't happen very often because Nosara you can't actually have any restaurants on the beach. So
Oh yeah,
this is like perfect location.
One of the only places that have a restaurant on the beach.
Yeah. So I just asked JB to go and grab the mosquito repellent because it is sunset and the mosquitoes like to eat us.
At sunset, mosquito comes out. So
I can already
if-
feel my feet being attacked.
that could save you, if you don't wear pants.
So
Oh,
you-
just wear pants. But.
Yeah, I should have worn pants. Oh.
Oh la la. Oh la la, il y a the table reserved here.
So fancy. Oh wow. That's gorgeous. Gracias.
Fancy. Wow, wow, wow. It's gonna be a hell of a sunset.
Wow. So honestly, one of the things I love about Nosara is like the diversity in beaches. So you have this beach, which is more, I would say, like chilled swimming beach. You have surfing beach, and then you've got like Samara, which is proper swimming beach. But here we have like a little section with this rocks where the rocks actually squirt some cool water. That sounds really disgusting, but let's have a see if we can capture it.
This place you need to book 2 or 3 days in advance if you want to be sure to have a good table and to define your timing, otherwise they get really busy. So don't try to come and get a table. I think so during peak season. So on the phone mention I want a sunset table, which kind of give you the front one.
It is a huge pizza.
And you salad too.
Nice salad.
And
Wonderful pizza.
Maxim.
Great company. Are you ready to eat?
I can't wait. Can I wait now? Stop
Okay,
filming.
go.
Stop filming.
Go. We have just driven an hour to Samara, also a little place called Horse Jungle, and we're going horse riding. So it's gonna be fun, and we're gonna be going through the jungle and then apparently onto the beach. All right, let's get there. Action. Yeah. Let's go.
C'est parti, Natacha. Slowly! Son flyer. Boy. Bye. Bye-bye, Tash. Bye-bye, Tash.
Oh man, but that was one hell of an epic experience. Flipping galloping across the beach. Oh, I want to do it again. It like literally makes your heart go into your stomach. You're just like, because it goes so fast. Oh no, it's magical. So if you're ever in Samara, definitely come watch or come look at Horse Jungle, because the horses are well taken care of. They all listen. Ooh, I know they're running. Nope. No running. No running. No running.
Without horse. Oh.
wow, wow. Woo. Yes. Oh la la, nice.
Yeah, do you like a little
Cowboy
glass
horse?
accessory?
So pretty.
Oh, it's okay, you're getting another one. We're just shopping at the moment. Ah, gracias.
Oh la muchas.
Oh la la.
That is good. Genre de l'apéro? Very good. It's like the couple, they can't stop drinking and eat. That's insane. Maybe he's done with it. He doesn't like cold shower.
Hey, bye Shroomy. Bye Shroomy. Good morning everyone. So for an extra little bonus, today we decided to show you where we're staying. And one of the best things about staying in Nosara is there's a lot of different types of accommodation. So today and last night we were staying in a little earth bag house. It's a little round house made out of earth bags. Basically they fill a whole bunch of bags, pile them on top of each other and then plaster it. This house took them 3 years to build. So it's not an easy process, and that was one of the reasons why we came. It's because we're actually interested in how people build eco lodges. So we're just exploring to see what it's like to live in a sandbag house. So do you want to come and see what it's like? Let's have a look. So we've got a nice beautiful little garden as we walk in. Beautiful palm trees. My costume just drying out in the sun. Hello, Ella. This is an earth bag house. It's very thick walls. You can see over here. That's massive. A massive wall. It's got a really nice roof. And I just love how it's round. It's freaking cool. And then you have a wonderful outdoor shower. And this is me showering. So yeah, it's cozy. It doesn't have AC because it's obviously an eco house, so you've got a fan at the top and windows kind of all around the circle, and it kind of creates a cross breeze. So if you're ever staying in Costa Rica, I highly recommend just trying out different types of accommodation. So this is an earth bag house. You'll be able to find it in our link below. So yeah, if you guys are ever here, come stay at this beautiful little spot. And if you can't get a booking here, then definitely have a look around, and there are some amazing accommodation in and around Nosara and Ostrenal and Playa Guiones, and there's a whole bunch. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed our 8 things to do in Nosara.